Bonjour la classe, ça va bien, j'espère. Et aujourd'hui, on va faire à l'étranger. We're going to do à l'étranger. I think it's from le 14 avril. Choisissez l'imparfait ou le passé composé pour compléter cette histoire. All right, remember the passé composé is a one-time completed action. Imparfait is the was verbing or was happening. Let's check it out. Lise blank vraiment envie de travailler en France après le lycée. Envie de, avoir envie de is to feel like. So felt like working in France after high school. Do you think that's a one-time action or just she was feeling? Ooh, that's describing her emotion. You're right. So Lise, let's do avoir in the imparfait. Let's do avait vraiment envie de travailler en France après le lycée. Alors, un jour, one day, you're already clapping, aren't you? Elle blank son petit village. She quit her little village. No, she left her little village. So one day she left her little village. Yay. Make it bigger there. And so it would be passé composé. Ready? A quitté. A quitté son petit village près de Bruxelles. Et elle blank le train pour Paris. So take the train. Probably it's the same thing. She left the village and took the train. Right, so it's passé composé. So elle a pris, if it's a weird one, look at your verb wheel. Elle a pris le train pour Paris. Or if you're at home, just Google passé composé. Elle a pris le train pour Paris. She left the train for Paris. She arrived. Now you think about arriving, that's what just one time. She arrived in Paris. Ooh, arriver is a special one. Arriver. Ooh, and when we use être for the special ones, we need to make the PP agree. So, elle est arrivée à Paris. She found a room in a little hotel. So she found, just one time she found it. Elle a trouvé une chambre dans un petit hôtel. Pendant 6 mois, so during the 6 months, she slept the hallway and cleaned the rooms. All right, so this is telling me it could be either one because you are doing a specific 6 months or just describing her actions. This one, either one works, so it'll work for you. I'll just do the imparfait because it just seems more natural to me. But so she was sweeping. Whoops. B-A-L-A-Y-A. Balayer and nettoyer. But again, the passé composé works for that too, so they're both right. Les chambres. Au bout de 6 mois, at the end of 6 months, specific time, she blanked les cours au cordon bleu. Remember, the cordon bleu is like a fancy cooking school. So she took classes there. And maintenant, elle est chef dans un petit restaurant. So it says at the end of 6 months, she took classes. So pretty much just one time. Des cours petit bleu. Et elle est chef dans un petit restaurant. Let's practice a little bit. You say the word in parentheses. Ready? Lise, vraiment envie de travailler en France après le lycée. Alors, un jour, elle... Son petit village près de Bruxelles et elle... Le train pour Paris. Use that good accent. Elle à Paris et elle. Une chambre dans un petit hôtel. Pendant 6 mois, elle. Le couloir et elle. Les chambres. Au bout de 6 mois, elle. Des cours au cordon bleu. Et maintenant, elle est chef dans un petit restaurant. Très bien. On a fait correct? Yay! We got them all right. Formidable. D'accord. All right. J'espère que ça va vous aider. Hope that helps. I can never find the way to turn this off, but